Hello, my name is Pranav Pikatti, and I've been recently graduated from CMI University, Bengaluru. I've done a master's in business administration, and my core specializations were in finance and business analytics. I've complete interest in SAP ERP software from the first. Through my qualifications, I've been told to opt SAP FICO module, and recently I came across with an institute called Henry Harvin, which is providing me an excellent course curriculum, and which is helping me to understand the skill set which is a must for SAP ERP softwares. Through this course, my skills are being enhanced and my analytical skills too. So looking forward to end the course with a good grades and earn a certificate. My relationship manager for the Henry Harvin is Tabrez, and he has guided me from the first and helped me a lot. Looking forward for good internships from Henry Harvin and a great job opportunities as well. Please find attached my email and my CV with the certificate from Henry Harvin. Thank you.